Hey guys, it's Josh from No Dad, No Problem, featuring how-tos, interviews, and reviews you can use. This morning, it's a Saturday morning here. My family is still asleep. We're hoping that we are going to wake them to the terrific smell of what we're going to be making. And that is going to be oven-baked bacon. We'll go through the ingredients you need, how to preheat the oven for the proper temps, and how long to cook it for, and then what to do after it's done. So away we go. So as far as what we're gonna need, I just have a regular baking pan. It's like a 9x13, covered in tin foil. That's gonna make cleanup easier. I've just got some standard store-cooked bacon, or just thick-cut store-bought bacon. And then I have a plate that I have covered up with a paper towel, that after it's done baking, that's what we're gonna put it on. I've taken my oven, I've put the broiler on, and I've selected it for high. All right, so I've laid the bacon out in a single sheet. I've got the oven open, put it into there. Now, I'm gonna set this for 12 minutes, but oven temperatures vary, so like how yours is gonna cook. So you're gonna wanna cook it to your own likeness. At about 12 minutes, we'll give it a check, we'll see how it's going, we'll determine if we need to pull it out. All right, so the timer is almost done. We'll shut that off. We're gonna take a look just to make sure it's looking good the way that we want it. Now again, a big thing to remember, I'm pretty happy with that, fogged up though with the heat. Big thing to remember is that, again, every oven is going to vary. So you may have to adjust the timing of yours. So again, I'm pretty happy with how that's turned out. It remains straight, they're looking a little bit crispy. I'm going to transfer them over to my plate with the paper towels on it. That's just going to help absorb some of the grease. Again, this is looking pretty beautiful to me. It's going to be a nice it's bacon to eat. We'll cover it over the top and then we'll check it back in just a moment. All right guys, so I have plated my bacon with some of my light and fluffy scrambled eggs, which I made on another video, so you can watch that if you want to see how to make them. I seasoned them with salt and pepper, got a piece of wheat toast, and some delicious coffee. I'm very excited about breakfast this morning. All right guys, so that was just a quick tutorial on oven baking bacon. Again, big thing to remember is that your oven is going to vary, and so is how well you like the bacon done. So just give the eyeball test, play around with it. Let me know what you think down in the comments below. Give us a like if this video has helped you in any way. Let us know if you'd like to see us make any instructional videos on cooking, on how to do things around the house, whatever it is you want. I want this channel to be just as much yours as it is mine. Be well, be blessed, be loved, and have the best day ever.